Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to mix face wash using our Castile Soap. So the things inside the bowl are powders, kojic, salicylic acid, and licorice, which is the brown one. So right now I'm adding tea tree oil. Then I'm going to add aloe vera oil. So everything I'm adding results to 1 gram each of everything. Here is rosehip oil. If you want the full measurement, please chat me up or leave a comment below. Then the next thing we're going to add is alpha arbutin oil. It's kind of a bit thick, so just going to squeeze it out. Okay, that is enough. So the next thing is AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Helps to exfoliate the face. Then you're going to mix it properly before you add it into the Castile Soap. So make sure that it's mixed properly. You can add a little bit of aloe vera gel, or you add glycerin to mix it well, but don't add too much. So when you're adding it inside the Castile Soap, make sure you're turning as you're adding the mixture. Make sure you're turning the Castile Soap so you're adding it bit by bit, so it won't get thickened too much. So keep adding and be stirring, keep adding and be stirring until you're done adding everything that you've mixed, all the powders that you've mixed into the Castile Soap. So the Castile Soap is actually an olive oil Castile Soap. So this is how you're going to be mixing it and mixing it till you are done with everything in your mixing bowl. So just add everything and mix it properly, very well, very well. You can decide to use all oils instead of adding powders, but I prefer using the powders because those are what I have in stock for now. So this is the texture that it came out and the color. So I'm going to add a bit of mulberry paper powder, and when you're adding this mulberry paper powder, make sure you dissolve it too. So you can use some parts of the soap to dissolve it. You see at the end of this video the color is going to be different, so I'm trying to test it on my hand and see the way it's going to work on my face, because I'm making it for my face. I don't have a breakout, but I just want something that needs to clean my face properly. So here is the texture. So it doesn't need to be too foaming because you're using it on your face, not on your body. So here I have added the mulberry powder, and this is the color that it came out here. This is the color of the mulberry, and this is the color it came out on inside the Castile Soap. So make sure you dissolve all your powders before adding it into the Castile Soap. I hope this was helpful. So I'm going to package it into my tube container using my syringe, of course. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and share. So I'm gonna feel it now. So thank you very much for watching, and if you want to shop for any of the items used, our Castile Soap is available for sale. You can check it out on our Instagram page or on our WhatsApp, or you can chat us up on our WhatsApp, or you can visit our website showing on the screen right now. So I'm going to clean up the bottle, then I am done to use it. I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours before I use it on my face. So subscribe, and watch out for my next video.